Hi, Todd Pigott here. If the recent headlines of economic storms on the horizon, falling stocks, and recession, catastrophic inflation have you scrambling to shift your investments, I have a better solution for you. Invest in the ZINC Income Fund. As an investor myself and a private lender, nearly 20 years in business, that's weathered the last two major recessions, my team and I have built an investing platform that provides the safety of principal protection that you're looking for, with security of a first lien on historically appreciating real estate. We've been in business for nearly 20 years. Our fund averages returns of 8% or more, and it's a great alternative to stocks, especially in today's environment. We also have a variety of tax benefits that are really lucrative for our fund. Our fund is fully secured, zero investor losses. If diversifying your investments with a consistent above-market return appeals to you, please take a moment to sign up and attend my next 30-minute webinar, where I'll present the details about today's economic climate, how accredited investors just like you are weathering the economic hurricane with the ZINC Income Fund. If you can't attend, sign up anyways. I'll send you the recording. As always, you can give us a call today at 559-326-2509 or visit us online at zincinvesting.com. ZINC Income Fund. Life should be an adventure, not your investments.